Singing, don't worry about a thing. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, the melody's pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you.
I gotta do as much as possible before I gotta leave.
I'm sorry, Alex.
I'm a piece.
Sing. Careful.
Just breathing hemlock.
Cool.
And so today is Morgan's time to receive her name.
Right.
We pick a clan of the forest, like a plant or a bird or something that swims or a fungus or a tree or really just about anything. Mine's a tree. I'm a black birch.
So the names within the hat, one of them will be choosing.
It's always the right one.
Yeah,
So
totally.
don't
Oh yeah, where's Michaela?
don't ask for something specific in your mind. Just kind of open up to whatever it is, and the right one.
If anybody does this, you all can pick a nature name from any animal you like. My name is largemouth bass.
Morgan.
I'm picking our name.
Rub it up.
Come here.
You don't have to rub it, Morgan.
Yeah, Morgan's hoping for it. She's working for it. You got that one.
We're outside. Not a lot of things that you do today are outside, which is something I really like about it. We get to come outside and just be ourselves and find a way to survive out here. It's pretty cool. Making fires, finding certain plants.
You're gonna want to put some mud in the bottom, because literally the next time he starts working on this, it's gonna burn right through really fast.
Green frog. Do we put a hole in here first?
You put mud on it in a circular pattern like this.
Around the edge.
Like the plate. You got mud around yours?
Yeah, but
Is it big enough?
My bowl's
Yeah, we need to get these straws.
You're probably gonna want to put that in a windless place, like on the other side of that big tree.
Most of all, we're just gonna have fun.
And you got your nature name today.
Yeah.
What's your nature name?
Very.
Do you like that one?
Oh yeah.
It's very good.
Wait, he got bit. She got bit.
It's very good.
Yeah.
Being with nature. I like it. Makes you feel like a kid again.
Singing, don't worry